Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel with all things gorgeous Anusara Yoga. I'm Sarah, and on YouTube here you're going to find some short classes, between 15 and 20 minutes for you to enjoy as an example of the beautiful style of yoga, Anusara Yoga, which I teach. Anusara has a beautiful spiritual theme, so it's going to make you feel blissed out, but also really quite strong alignment principles, so you always know you're going to be safe. And above all, we always try and create a bit of community. So to really get interacting with me, please do join my Cooler membership, where I'll offer longer classes, more live streams so we can chat. We've got a book club going on. We do monthly workshops, and we also have a quarterly online retreat. So I get to speak to you and see you down the vibes, and we get to know each other a little bit better. So if you want that extra bit of interaction with me, please do find the link below and join me in the Cooler. Otherwise, enjoy what's here on YouTube, these short little samples of what's available to you. I hope to see you here on YouTube. Lots more classes uploaded once a month here on YouTube, and every week over in the membership. All right, so enjoy, and please do comment and let me know how you're getting on with the yoga. Namaste.